through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping, drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping, ice. Came through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping, drip drip. Diamonds on my
back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this fall smoky look. It's like a very pretty smoky eye with a pop of color and nude lips. Yeah, so if you want to see how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to try this for once. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in Deep, the loose finishing powder. I'm a little scared. I'm going to try this to just set my eyelids. So it should work. I mean, anything works really to set your eyelids. It's just now I want to go to the Dare Create palette and I'm going to take this shade first. And I'm going to apply this to my transition right in my crease. Use this shade and put it right underneath where I just applied the other one. This shade is so pretty. I don't think it's really showing up in here, but it's really pretty. And with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Now I'm just going to start blending out two shades. And now I want to take a little bit of the black shade right there. This palette is huge, so it's like really hard to get in the camera, but I'm going to just take that and I'm going to apply that right over top. Just to deepen it. This black, woo, it's pigmented, boy. Just be careful when you apply the black. Keeping it low so I can like blend it out and like. It's really hard to blend out black, so I'm like, you know, taking my time with it. And just blend it out lightly, like I'm barely touching. Now I'm just going back in with the brown shade and I'm like blending it kind of in the inner and outer corners, so almost like a halo. But okay, sorry if the camera frame has changed, my battery died, but I just like basically focus the foundation in the center of my face. So right here, basically I'm going to apply the Tarte Shape Tape in the deep right under my eyes. Blend it out. Now I want to quickly set it with the Laura Mercier powder. I wanted to try the Maybelline Fit Me, but deep seems to be like, it'll be too dark for my under eyes. So I'm just gonna use the Laura Mercier. I just took some of the Maybelline and I'm gonna apply this to my forehead to see how it works. Now I'm going to dust away with the R2 and NYX No Filter Setting Powder. This is is getting repetitive. Like I'll do this like in almost every video. So sorry. My little brush. I want to take the NYX Total Drop. I'm almost out of this. This one's in Deep Espresso, and yeah, this is my favorite brush to do like the contour. This is my little contour. This is a Morphe brush that came in like the pack set, like so it doesn't have a number. I'm gonna take some of the product on here, wipe it onto the brush, and then contour my nose. Now just taking and basically contour what I normally would. I'm going to spray my face because I didn't spray my brush. I'm too lazy, so yeah, this is going to help the product move more and out. And now I want to take the Maybelline Fit Me Powder and I'm just going to clean up my nose. Okay, this might be good to like, underestimated it, I guess, or I thought it was going to be too dark to do my under eye, but it looks like it'll be fine. And I'm just gonna just do my eyebrows because they got like lost. And also I didn't do them good this morning. I just did them so I can look presentable in class, to be honest. I'm gonna take this small little liner brush, I guess, and I'm going to apply this beautiful shade right here, and I'm gonna put this right underneath my lash line. Okay, I went ahead and applied that, like, the first brown shade. So this one right here, right there. I went ahead and applied that all over my eyelid. I just didn't really like the black. And I think I want to do a pop of color. Like, you know that Kylie Jenner, like, orange? I really want to do that, like, in my inner corner. For some reason. I'm not sure why. But I also want to add like more smokiness to the bottom, or either more of a color. Okay, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab this little orange color right here. I'm going to put that, I'm always dropping stuff. I'm going to put that right underneath. And then slightly rub some of that brown right underneath, like very, very close to like the lash line. I'm very scared for this part because it can go really wrong, but I think I want to take this shade right there, this very, very bright shade. It's like an orangish red and it's shimmery. Let me spray my brush. But on this small little brush, and I'm going to put that right in the inner corner. Then I'm going to take some of this little shimmer shade right there and put it right over top. Not too much, but I just want like a little bit more shimmer. Woo. Now I'm going to take the MAC Extended Play Bigger Black Lash, and I want to apply this to my bottom lashes. I want to really, 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 really apply this because like I want them to be very bold. I went ahead and applied some to my top lashes too, and now we're going to go on with highlighter. So this NYX Bright Idea stick, and this one is in Sun-Kissed brush. Apply a little bit. I'll spray my face a little bit. Blend it out. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier highlighter and Indiscretion. It's all cracked up, so yeah. But I'm gonna see. This is what it looks like. The focus, yeah. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty, but it's just broken. So I'm gonna take this and apply it over top. Now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows, apply lashes, and I'm going to get back to the lips. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished applying lashes, and then I put like this e.l.f. eyeliner, and like I just dotted it like random places. And now we're going to do the lips. Actually, I think I want to reapply highlighter. Like this one's more natural. I want to do like a better one. So my Sun Dip palette and do bronze, which is the top left one. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with the LA Girl in Espresso. Take this color. It's Orlando. I think it's by Lena Lashes. I think so. I got this a while ago. And then this NYX Liquid Suede and Sandstorm. So I run around my lips with this color right there in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And now I'm just going to add a gloss, and this is the NK Makeup, I think Nikki something makeup lip gloss. This is like the $1 one you get from the beauty spot. And I'm just going to apply it. Not meaning to get this much for the face. Yeah, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. So see you next time, and peace.